Good morning, dear student. This is Mandeep Sani, and today I am here with the AV assignment. In this assignment, we will discuss a poem. The name of the poem is A Journey Through Space. I have already discussed this poem with you in the last assignment, but today I am going to repeat it again because there are some missing contents available in this poem. So I just want to cover that one today with you. This poem is written by the poet named Hamza Hasif. In this poem, he just want to tell us about his dream that he wants to land over the moon, he wants to enjoy there, he wants to play there, he wants to walk over there. So let's start. Oh, what fun it would be to journey through space, to land on the moon, to play and walk on its face. In the first paragraph, what he is saying that it would be a great fun for him if he would be land over the moon, if he would play there, if he would walk over there. It would be a great fun for him. In the second paragraph, to journey through space to Venus or Mars, to reach Jupiter or maybe new stars. In the second paragraph, he is saying that if he would land over the moon, then during his journey time he also wants to land over the Venus, Mars as well as Jupiter or maybe new stars. Venus is the most brightened planet in the Sun family, or Mars is also called the red planet because Mars is made up of the red soil, and Jupiter is the biggest planet in the Sun family. In the second paragraph, what is poet saying? Poet is saying that if he would be land over the moon, then it would be great fun for him, and during that journey he also wants to land over the Venus, Mars, Jupiter or maybe the new stars. Let's move towards the third paragraph. In the third paragraph, what he is saying, to journey through space to planets unknown, to settle on them and make them our own. In the third paragraph, what he is saying that during his journey time he wants to settle over the unknown planets, and he wants to make them that planets his own planets, right? At the last paragraph, what he is saying, a journey through space I would welcome with joy. Whatever I say, I would fully enjoy. In the last paragraph, he is saying that during his journey time, what he would be enjoy there, whatever he would see there, he wants to enjoy that moments. He wants to enjoy that feelings, right? I have already discussed the question answers of this poem with you in the last assignment, but our leftover part is look at the naming words given below, add s or es to make them many, and we will also discuss this leftover part today. First is a card. It is a single card. It is a single card, means one card. Now we will transfer this singular card to the plural cards, right? One is a card. Then here is a six cards. Now we have transferred card to cards, right? A card, 6 cards. Second one is a box, means one box. Now we are going to transfer one box to more boxes, and now a box, 5 boxes. A box means one box, then 5 box means box. We are going to transfer box, singular box to plural box, then boxes, right? A box, 5 boxes. Third is a garage, 10 garages. Then we have put es at the last of the word, garage, garages. Fourth number is a hero, means one hero. Then afterward we are going to transfer one hero to many heroes. Then one hero, two heroes. We will put es at the end of the word. Fifth number is a church, means it is a single church. A church, six churches. Churches. We will put es at the end of the word. Church, churches, right? Sixth number is a kitten, means one kitten, means single kitten. Four kitten, kittens, right? A kitten means one kitten. Here is a four. Then kitten, kittens, right? Seven number is a tomato, means one tomato. Then 10 tomatoes. We will put es at the end of the word. Here is tomato and we will write tomatoes here. 8 number is a dice. The plural form of dice remains dice, right? A dice, 5 dice, right? The singular, the sort of dice is also dice. A dice, 5 dice. Got my point? That's all about our poem and the leftover part. I hope you have understood it very well. Till then, take care. Bye bye.